Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you 3 different caps that we sell, and we are called Southern Colorado Hats. We are local here in Colorado. I am wearing one right now at the moment. So all of our caps are deep crown. They're 7.5 inches deep, and we do offer different heights upon request. So the first hat that I am going to be talking about today is this cap right here. This is a all cotton cap. As you can tell, it's a lot more flimsier than the other ones, but it's very soft, and I will be posting some pictures right here for y'all on different styles that we do have. We have tons and tons and tons of different material. As you can see, this is one of them. So the bill part of the hat, also the inside, you can see it is a different material, as well as the band. That is what makes this so unique, in my opinion, is you have every hat is different. No hat is the same. The stitching is different. Like I said, the material on top is different. The band is different. Or you can have a solid one like this, and then on the inside it could look like this, or the inside. I'm going to actually go grab a few of the other ones that I have and show you guys the fun bright colors. Okay, so I just grabbed about 4 different hats. This is one of the ones that I absolutely love, polka dots, and it's pink. We do bright colors. This one's very patriotic. Again, polka dot. This one's red. And the one I love about the pink one is there is purple on the inside. And then we do have ones like this. This one is so cute. It is a Kellogg's one. And then that, and then the inside looks like this. So anyway, I just wanted to share that we do have some fun fabric, so every one of them is different. This cap, the cotton ones are 100% cotton, and they are all handmade. All right, and this is our hybrid hat right here. So this is the best of both worlds. You have the comfort of the cotton on top, and then the canvas on the band and the bill is built for extra protection. Last but not least, this is our sturdy canvas cap. This cap is unlined and comes in a variety of different solid colors. So this cap is great for stick welding because it has that extra protection that you need. All right, so that right there is all 3 of the caps that we sell. I appreciate you guys watching this. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day.